Hello everyone, welcome to Janu TV. Who is known as the Iron Man of India? Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Which planet is known as the Red Planet? Mars. Who wrote the Indian National Anthem? Ravindranath Tagore. Which is the longest river in India? Ganges or Ganga? Who is the author of the book The God of Small Things? Arundhati Roy. Who invented the telephone? Alexander Graham Bell. What is the capital city of Australia? Canberra. Which is the largest bone in the human body? Femur thigh bone. Which gas is most abundant in the Earth's atmosphere? Nitrogen. Who was the first president of independent India? Dr. Rajendra Prasad. Who is known as the father of the Indian Constitution? Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Which country is known as the land of the rising sun? Japan. What is the currency of Japan? Japanese yen. Who discovered penicillin? Alexander Fleming. Which is the largest desert in the world? The Sahara Desert. Who painted the Mona Lisa? Leonardo da Vinci. Who is known as the father of modern physics? Albert Einstein. What is the national animal of India? Bengal tiger. Which planet is known as the blue planet? Earth. Who was the first woman Prime Minister of India? Indira Gandhi. What is the capital city of Brazil? Brasilia. Which is the largest freshwater lake in the world by surface area? Lake Superior. Who wrote the novel To Kill a Mockingbird? Harper Lee. Who was the first person to step on the moon? Neil Armstrong. Which chemical element has the symbol Fe? Iron. What is the largest organ in the human body? The skin. Who is the author of the Harry Potter book series? J.K. Rowling. Thank you.